This is not just another security video. One disk failure or power outage can erase critical evidence. Here's how the ACTZNR series redefines NVR reliability, from 4 to 128 channels. The ACTZNR series supports hot-swappable drives and hardware RAID 0, 1, 5, 6, and 10, ensuring continuous recording even during disk failure or replacement. Designed for mixed-brand environments, full ONVIF and CMS support enables centralized live view, playback, and maintenance across multiple sites. With 4 to 128 channels, built-in PO on select models, and no VMS license fees, project costs stay predictable while integrators gain stronger margins. Human and vehicle detection, illegal parking, and people counting deliver proactive alerts, without expensive AI cameras. Dual redundant power supplies prevent system shutdown, enabling non-stop operation and maintenance without interruption. Compared with ATEC and Hunt, the ACTZNR series delivers a complete architecture, hardware RAID, AI, redundant power, and embedded Linux stability, at a more competitive price. If you're upgrading government, factory, or transportation surveillance, rethink your NVR choice. Contact us to see how ACTZNR delivers reliability, intelligence, and value, beyond specs.